In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a border around an image on Squarespace. To get started, the first thing you will want to do is make sure you have the Squarespace ID Finder extension installed. This is important because it helps you quickly identify the specific image block you want to target with custom CSS. Without it, finding the exact block ID can be much more difficult, especially if you're working on a page with several images. Once that's ready, head into your Squarespace dashboard and click on Website. This will take you to the main area where you can manage your site content and design settings. From there, click on Pages. This is where you'll access the parts of your site that you want to customize. Since we're adding a border to a specific image, we'll be working with custom styling rather than changing the image directly inside the editor. Next, click on Custom Code. This section gives you access to advanced customization options in Squarespace, and it's where you can add code that changes how elements appear on your site. After that, click on Custom CSS. This is the exact place where you'll add the styling for your image border. Custom CSS is useful when you want more control over design details than the standard Squarespace settings allow. Now go ahead and paste in the CSS code. At this stage, you're placing the styling structure into the editor so it's ready to be connected to the right image block. If you're following along with your own code, make sure it's pasted cleanly and in the correct format, since even a small typo can prevent it from working properly. Next, click the Squarespace ID Finder extension. This will activate the tool so you can inspect elements on your page and locate the exact ID connected to the image block you want to style. Then, click on the ID code for the image block. This is the unique identifier for that specific image, and it allows the CSS to apply only to that block, instead of affecting every image on the site. That's especially helpful if you only want one image to have a border. Finally, paste that ID code into your CSS. This links the border styling directly to the image block you selected. Once that's in place, your image should display with the border styling applied. As a final tip, double check that the ID is pasted in the correct spot in your CSS and that you selected the correct image block. If something doesn't look right, it's usually caused by using the wrong ID or placing it incorrectly in the code. And that's how to add a border around an image on Squarespace.